On our radar this morning is Kosan Rubber Industries. The company is the latest glove manufacturer to report COVID-19 cases among its workers. But TA Research says there's no need to panic for now. In fact, it is keeping its buy call on the counter and target price of 9 ringgit 1 cent. On December 4th, Kosan conducted a voluntary COVID-19 screening test on its 7,000 workers at various glove production facilities, and results showed 427 positive cases at one of its production facilities in Meru. Kosan then slammed the brakes on the whole operation to fully sanitize and quarantine all the workers in the affected area for 14 days. A second PCR test has been conducted for the balance of 1,667 workers. If the results come back negative, Kosan would resume Meru operations in stages from December 20th onwards, affecting 25% of total output. TA Research projects potential loss of earnings from this closure to be around 24 million ringgit or 2.1% of projected earnings for FY20. For now, the glove maker will conduct fortnightly COVID tests on 20% of its workers via random sampling. As for the state of its business, Kosan has secured orders for the whole of 2021 with 15% of its capacity allocated for spot orders. Based on guidance, ASP for the fourth quarter of this year will be higher by about 50% quarter-on-quarter at about $50 to $60 per 1,000 gloves, while ASP for the first quarter of next year will increase by at least 30% quarter-on-quarter to above $80. As such, profits for the first half of 2021 are seen to exceed 1 billion ringgit per quarter, which may surpass TA Research's 2021 earnings forecast of 3.86 billion ringgit. The demand for gloves will remain strong over the next 2 years, as it would take at least 3 years to vaccinate the entire global population. The research firm also thinks that Kosan's share price is still undervalued. To put things into perspective, year to date, Kosan's share price has only increased by 136%, despite the group making close to 22 years of pre-COVID profits in just 2 years. TA Research is keeping its FY20 earnings estimates, although it revised its FY21 to 22 earnings higher by 43.7% to 73.6% after raising its ASP assumptions. Based on the latest Bloomberg data, most analysts are optimistic about Kosan with 6 buys, 3 holds and 1 sell, giving us an average price of 7 ringgit 42 cent. Based on the stock's last price of 5 ringgit 9 cent, that is implying on average a 45.8% upside.